Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a fun Friday video and we are going to be doing another unboxing. Well, half unboxing because one of them I got earlier and I didn't want to wait. So I went ahead and opened it, but I did want to wait until I got both items before I did another one. So anyways, that's why they're not unboxed, but I mean they are unboxed. But one of them isn't, and it's killing me. So that's what we're going to be doing. Another unboxing of stuff I got from DHgate replicas. The first one we'll do is the one that I already unboxed. But this came in a little cardboard box. It wasn't a nice Chanel box or anything like that. And inside the box, it was just wrapped all up in bubble wrap and tape. So it was nothing special on the wrapping, and it took forever to get here. But what it is these little Chanel earrings. I'm going to take the back off so that I can hold it up to the camera closer so you guys can see it. Now, I thought they had rhinestones in them when I ordered them, but they don't. They are just cut. And it's silver inside where they cut them, where they, etched them. They're etched. They're not cut. You know what I mean? But it makes it look like there's stones in them. And actually, it's better because they were only 9 something a pair. And if they had had stones in them and were $9, the stones probably would have fell out. I can't get the back off. Sorry, guys. You don't get to see. Well, this is just insane, isn't it? Oh, there. Guess I shouldn't have put the back on when it wasn't on my ear. Okay, so this is the gold one. Can you see it? Okay, my memory card was full. I had to erase some stuff. So, back to it, and I think you guys saw what it looks like. What they look like. That is the gold pair. I think they're super pretty, and I'm just as happy that they don't have stones in them, even though I thought they did. I'm going to put them in my ear so you guys can see how they look. You know, I watch a lot of people do these reviews for DHgate, and they always hide their face. And I'm not hiding my face because what's the point? You guys know what I look like, and it's my channel, so I'm not sure how that would work out if I was to hide my face. And I don't really know why they're hiding their face, unless they just don't want people to know they're carrying fakes, which I don't care. I mean, I don't really want people to know, when I'm out and about, but I don't think they will. Nobody recognizes me. And if they do, I don't care. They just know I'm cheap. And, oh well. See? I love them. I think they're so cute. Oh, I got my hair stuck in there. There. I think they are cute. Anyways, I got them in gold. And then I also got them in silver. Because that's just what I do. You never know, right? See if these ones are as hard to get the back off. No. I think it was just me. So, here are the silver ones. See, aren't they pretty? I really like them. Whoa. I know this when I wore them, though. I did wear them once. Sorry, guys. I told you I opened them, and then, of course, I had to wear them. But I did wear them one day, and they did get caught on my big coat, the fur. Oops. I guess I need to take this off first. the little edges of the bottom C would get caught on my the fur of my jacket. But they don't seem to, actually that was the only time I wore them, so I'm not sure. But I'm pretty sure they're going to be fine unless I'm wearing that big coat. And there is how the silver ones look. They look like they have diamonds in them, huh? But they don't. They're just cut. They're just etched. I think they're super pretty, especially for $10. Can't go wrong. Well, you can, but I didn't. So, okay, I'm going to leave those on, even though they're opposite colors. We're going to open this. And I bet you guys can't guess what it is, right? Let me see. I think I have scissors over here. I do. So I'm super excited because it took forever. I ordered all this stuff that I ordered on December 4th. So it's taken, you know, a month and 3/4 for it to get here. I'm a little worried about cutting into the actual, oh, there. I can see now that is, there's more bag underneath it, so I can cut this and not cut what's inside. I use a lot of tape, but I'm good with that. I hope this is good. I think it's going to be good. Because I already had my bad experience, right? And so many people told me, oh no, I buy stuff off of DHgate all the time. I've never had a bad experience. And yay you, I'm glad. I wish I hadn't. And I'm decided I'm not going to have any more bad experiences. I have this. This one was still to come, and the earrings were still to come, and they're great. And I'm sure this one's going to be great. And then I have another purse and another wallet. And that's all I've ordered, because I decided I wasn't going to order anything else till I started getting good stuff. But this is what I got. Let me take this off the hardware. They've got it covered with this sticky stuff. And I don't know what the name of this actual real one is, so you're just gonna have to, but isn't it beautiful? It is beautiful. I think it is beautiful. I love it. I got this to go with that Neverfull that I hate. But that's okay. I will find a good seller, and I will find another with a monogrammed purse, and then I will get that. Actually, no. My Speedy's not monogrammed. It's the other one, whatever that is. The little squares. I'm not very up on my Louis Vuitton stuff, am I? Anyway, this is, it's red inside. It's got lots of credit card slots. It's got 1, 2, 3 on each, or 6 right there, and then it's got 2 down here for like your driver's license and whatever else ID you might want to show through. And then it's got a slot down here. It's got this here, which is for, I don't know, money. I would say money or receipts. And then right here, maybe it's for change. No, there is no change thing. That's not good. I should have paid more attention. But that's okay. I'll just have to get one of those little change purses that says Louis Vuitton too, huh? Anyways, I love it. The quality is good. It says Louis Vuitton in the inside. It says Louis Vuitton right there. It does not look like it's perfectly centered, but I don't care. I don't think anybody's going to be looking that closely. And if they are, oh well. Oh, maybe I could put change. I bet you I could put change in here because it snaps tight right there. But I'd rather just get a little change purse also. anyways, I am super, super happy with this. I think it's beautiful. It's not closing, but I think it was closed when I got it. Oh, there we go. Just needs to be broken in. It is beautiful, though. If you know what this is the dupe for, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. I tried to find it, but I didn't find it. The only one I found was this one when I did it on, I Googled it and I just put Louis Vuitton wallets, and then I saw this one and I went to it and it was the actual DHgate one. So, and it doesn't say, they don't ever say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was, I think it retailed for 19 something. I think I paid less than $20 for it, between 19 and 20. So I think it was definitely worth that much. I wish it had a change purse, but I'll just get a separate one. Now I got something to shop for, right? This was a different seller than the other one. Obviously, it would have came with those other ones. But even the other one, it's like, I'm very upset with them because they tricked me into canceling my dispute. But the Gucci bag was great quality. And the wallet was great quality, but they just didn't match. And they weren't the colors that I ordered. But the other bag was bad. And that was the only thing I was disputing, was the bad bag. I wasn't disputing, even though the colors were wrong, I thought, well, I probably ordered wrong because it didn't say on there, you know, what color to order, what color they were. It just said Model D or Model C. And to me, all the pictures, the dark ones, looked the same. They all looked black. So anyway, I already did that one. This one I love. This is a different seller. If you'd like to know the seller of this one, you can DM me on my Instagram, and I will send you the seller name on this one for DHgate. But actually, I don't even think that this seller has them anymore, because when I just was trying to find out what the name of this was in the real Louis Vuitton, I clicked on the picture, and it gave me a 404 error. So I don't think they last long on there. But it's beautiful. So you just need to look for the picture of it, and there were no other sellers selling it, I don't think so. So I don't know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and we're going to have one more at least of the DHgate, because I know that the next seller is great, and they're going to be great products. So stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!